friends. Today we are going to learn about chess special moves. And in chess, special moves are very important and they are also the basics. Many of the chess players don't know many of the special moves. So in this video I am going to cover 3 special moves and 3 puzzles. One is hard, one is easy and one is medium level. So without further ado, let's start. But before watching, please subscribe to my channel and please share here. Okay, let's begin. So now we are going to see about castling. So castling we can do in king side as well as in queen side. In castling, if you take, you should move your king to g1 and rook to f1 so that your rook can easily attack and gain a significant advance, and your king can be safe, and you can connect your rooks as well. But there are certain rules for castling, and if we fail to follow it, we cannot castle. Rule number 1: we should not move the king anywhere. If we move and kept it again in the e1, there is no use. You will be failed to castle, and you cannot connect your rooks at all. So please follow these rules, and these rules might be very useful for you. And we can do in queen side also. Doing queen side is also beneficial. So you can do both the side, and don't move the rooks too. If you move the king side rook, then you cannot castle in the king side. If you move the queen side rook, you cannot castle in the queen side. So don't move your pieces, that are rook, king and rook. Two rooks and one king. So castling has many benefits, as you all know. So let's go into the next thing and let's continue. Yes. If you see in this position, two rooks are connected because of the castling. Yes. So you should note here that moving doing castling is very good at end game too. So let's do the en passant. That is, if a pawn is in 5th rank, then if another pawn moves 2 steps, we have the right to capture the pawn, and we can move from e to d6. So this is very important thing. But say, if you are not moving the pawn now and capturing the queen and the king captures, now you cannot do the en passant, because according to the rule, you should move very quick. If you move after, then it's no use. So this is very important thing to note here. So even in endgame, this can help you, I guess. So without further ado, let's go into the puzzles now. And in endgame, I have to say you one thing, that is pawn promotion, a very good thing in the endgame. In the endgame, if you are not having any pieces, than a pawn, it can be very useful. When a pawn reaches its end, it can become a queen, into a rook, or into a knight, or into a bishop. So if you move your pawn into a queen, then it can be benefit. And now the white promotes into a queen, the white pawn, and the black pawn also promotes. Now they both can fight equally, and even this can lead to a draw or a win. You can do this as a puzzle. You can? Yes, I believe you can. I know you are smart. So you can do this. And this is your today's puzzle. So now we are going to do the 3 puzzles. in these three puzzles, you can learn how to control the queen and make a checkmate against the black. So, without further ado, let's see that also. And this is the video's end three puzzles. So now we will be playing easy chess endings. Yes. Now if you see, there are two pawns for white, and two pawns can easily promote. Yes, we are promoting first pawn into a queen, a very very good thing. Yes, but the knight can check and take our queen. No worries, we can also take back the knight, and we can easily win with the next pawn. Yes, what I thought was correct. But I think this is easy, right? So he's not knowing what to play. So he's playing like this. Yes, we too captured. Now we are going to do him checkmate. So let's see what happens. The pawn we should not make it promote. If it promotes to the next step, then the queen can capture easily. Yes, now my queen is going to capture it. Let it capture. Yes, I have captured him successfully. Now the king is going to meet a very is in danger. Yes. Any last wishes for you, king? Black king. Now we are going to checkmate the black. It's very funny, guys. Any last wishes for black king? Do you have any black? Okay, I think he don't have. Yes, we won. So we can go to the next position. Normal chess endings. Okay, we should think here, and okay, we have bishop. Yes. Now I think of promoting the pawns. Yes. Yes, I started to promote my h5 pawn. Yes, I have started. Yes, I think I will. Yes, I promoted it to a queen. Very happy news. Now I am going to check him. Yes, I checked him. Okay, he went back. That's it, guys. Now we can easily checkmate him. Yes, now we are going to do the L shape thing. Yes, I will teach you what is L shape in the further videos. So don't skip my any of the video. And next further videos we will be learning about how to mate with queen. So let's enjoy this puzzle. Okay, we have moved a queen. Now simply it's a mate. You can guess. Comment it down if you have found the correct answer, and I will be pinning the correct answer soon. So who comments first, they are the winner. Hard chess endings, yes. This can be little bit hard, but I don't think so. No, now if we capture the bishop, then it's totally waste thing ever, because then the rook can check and it can be a very horrible thing. Now I kept a check. He blocked it with the bishop. Now I captured it. Yes, he moved a king. Now I'm going to move. If we move with this bishop, then I can capture the. Okay, now I'm moving the king. Yes, I'm going to attack him. I'm keeping on attacking him. Let me see what he does. Okay, now I think what to do. Let me think. Yes, I think I can move the queen. Yes, I moved. Yes, now he's attacking me. I'm going to attack him back. Yes, he's going. Okay, I am going to double attack the both pieces. Yes, now I think he should. What? I think he got mad, right? So I'm going to capture. Yes, that's it. He's gonna lose. So let me free up my queen space by moving the pawns away. Yes, first I will move my a8 pawn and let the king capture, and I will move my pawn. Yes, now I got the free space for my queen to attack, and it's a very good thing. Yes, now I will make the d6 pawn free by capturing d7 pawn. Okay, I am going to capture it. Yes, I'm checking. Okay, double attacked. Yes, worked out properly. Okay, now let me move my C7. Now I'm going to move into D. Okay, now any last wishes? Because just some more mu. Okay, let me see. I think he's totally, what to say, he's totally blank, and I think he does not know what to play. So if we play any move, it's a checkmate, as you all know. So leave him, guys. The computer got stuck, and the king is very very poor. What to do? The poor king is not at all having brain at all, I guess. So if you like this video, please like it, share it to your chess friends. Bye.